Okay, hello everyone. As you know, my name is Ivan, and I'm just gonna give you here a quick overview on the tasks, how do they work, how to assign them, and how to edit them. Okay, so first, these are my tasks. This is just for me. This is just what I'm gonna see. These are my completed tasks, as you can see here. It's all the tasks that I've been just marking them as completed. On the right, you can see labels here. The labels are just to manage your tasks like better. So let's say, for example, okay, this is a review guest. So just click here. This is a review task. So view. Just to separate them and give them, like a priority on them. You can also, on the task, you can edit them. You can add comments, like for example, okay, on it. So yeah, I'm doing this task. You can also set a reminder. Okay, this is for due tomorrow. Okay, this is a reminder that on due date, 10 minutes, let's say 30 minutes before. 30 minutes before, this is a reminder that I have to complete this task. Remind me. Okay. This is a repeat. This is that it always repeats. When it gets to this date, it will always repeat. You can also set up new labels to keep them like a priority, let's say high priority. And let's say red. Okay, so to assign any task, all you have to do is click here. Let's say it's add new logs. So this is a task that is for me. So as you can see, when you click here, these are all the people that are in my workspace, which is short-term rentals. If it's a task for everyone, you just click here, and it's a task for everyone in this workspace, which is everyone you can see here. But since it's for me, you just click here, and you can also add more people. For instance, you can also take them out. Let's say it's for tomorrow at 3 p.m. Say okay, the information. Having to add new logs. Just do this and that. This is an example. But we need them. So since they need them, let's just say it's a high priority task. Just create task, and boom, here it is. You can see high priority, add new logs. To edit them, just let's say you want to click to edit the date. Okay, so it wasn't for tomorrow, so until Friday. So okay, Friday, new log. The year, the time. Let's say I want to add a new comment on it. You can also attach files to it, just so if you need to explain yourself better with pictures, with videos, anything that you need to attach, you can do it there. Attach file. When you're creating a task, you can also attach files, as you can see here. So let's say you can link your Google Drive account here. So, or just gotta drag them from a window to another. Say from here, just click on it, drag them through here. And also from your computer, if you need it, choose files. It will open up this folder for your computer files, and you can just upload them here. Just to explain yourself better. And yeah, this is just when you're getting assigned the task, you can see here on the notifications on red. Okay, I haven't seen this one. Okay, this is clean. Sabrina just created a clean log. But when she sends me a task, it's gonna pop up here. Okay, see, okay, so assign me a task. As you can see there. So, well, yeah, this was just a quick overview on how the task works, and how to assign them, and how to edit them.